Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SolidWorks Power Move, we're going to talk about file properties in a SolidWorks part file. Now, this file here is a SolidWorks part file, and you can see here I'm looking at the file properties here by clicking on this icon up at the top of the screen, and we've got properties that we can typically use in a drawing, like unit system, the material for the drawing, the density, etc., etc. The thing is, this is one of the older files that I created in the library. In fact, it's one of the first files that I created for the practice models library. And so the file properties that are shown here, which I want to use in my drawings, have kind of gone out of date. You know, I've got a newer drawing template that I work with, so I've got a new set of file properties that I work with. Well, did you know that you can copy and paste your file properties from one file to another? And where I do this often is when I want to make a new version of this part, what I'll do is I'll do a file new, and I'll bring open my brand new template here, which has a bunch of additional file properties. I'll pick the first one, I'll hold Shift on my keyboard, I'll pick the last one here, and then I'll press Control C, which is the shortcut for copy. Now I'll click cancel here. Now let me go back to this part. Now I'm going to do a save as. I'm going to save it as a new version, or a pack and go. I'm going to save it as a new version. And that way I can load up the new drawing template. But the only way the new drawing template is going to work with this part is if I've got the correct file properties. Well, check this out. I can pick the first file property, hold Shift, pick the last file property, and then I can click this button here that says delete. And now I can click here in this first row, Control V, and paste in those file properties from the new document template. Pretty cool, right? This doesn't come up all the time, but anytime you're trying to work with an older document and you want to bring it into your system, or maybe it's a document that was created by somebody else, you know, so a different company, you're bringing in some files from another company or from an older file set, this is really, really helpful because it can get your parts and your assemblies working in a way that they can be brought into your drawings and all of your linked properties are going to work. So if you like today's power move, be sure to hit the like button. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you knew about this one or if this is new to you. Let me know if you think you're going to find a good place to use this. And if you enjoy my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of good SolidWorks courses to help you go from zero to hero in the world of SolidWorks. And I will look forward to seeing all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.